Hello guys, today in this tutorial I will basically show you how you can take screenshot of a website in image format, PNG image format or PDF. This is a complete web application using Node.js and Express, and we are using Puppeteer library which will automate this process. So we have this interface of this web application. As you load this application on localhost 4000, I am running this on. We will have this interface. Here you will enter your website URL, and then you will either choose the format of screenshot. Either it can be image or either it can be PDF. And now we will enter the URL. Let's suppose I enter google.com, and here I need to take the screenshot as PNG image. Click on this button. As I click the button, automatically the browser window will open. It will take the screenshot and download the PNG file. Here you will see the PNG file has been downloaded. If I try to open this file, so it has taken the screenshot of google.com, and you will see that the screenshot is seen right here, PNG image. So now instead of the image screenshot, you need to have the PDF. You will now be selecting in the radio button PDF here, and then click on capture screenshot. So again it will do the same thing. It will open the browser, it will take the screenshot, and now in this case it will export the screenshot to PDF document. So if you open this now, your screenshot has been taken and it has been converted into PDF document. So you can take any website. For example, if you want to say github.com, click on that. See, it will now open github.com website. Take the screenshot and it will download this as an attachment. You can see that. So PDF is there. So it totally depends upon the length of the website. If the website is larger, then it will contain multiple pages in PDF document. So we will try to build this application. All the source code is given in the description of the video, guys. If you need the source code, you can go to the description of the video. So now let's get started. So before building this application, you need to install Puppeteer. So right here inside your Node.js project, npm init-y. So this will actually create the package.json file in the root directory. So just do this, and then you need to install PUPP, Puppeteer and Express. So these are the two packages which are required, guys, Puppeteer and Express. So these are the two libraries. So if you want to know more about Puppeteer, basically it's an automation library in similar to Selenium. For Python, Puppeteer is the automation library. It can be used for web scraping, all these automation tasks in Node.js. This is its official documentation website. You can read more about it. So after you do this, we will now write our code. So all the image files, PDF files get stored right here in the server. You can delete them. And now we will basically write our code. So first of all, we will need to require all these packages right here at the top. Puppeteer. We need to require the package Puppeteer. Then we need to make a new Express app like this. So this app will be listening on port 4000, and in the callback function we will simply say that app is listening on port 4000. So we will basically make a simple get route. So whenever someone goes to the home route, so we will basically send out a file here. So this file, index.html file right here. So we now just need to create an index.html file. So the interface is very simple. We are including the CDN of Bootstrap. So simply include the CDN of Bootstrap. We will be using the Bootstrap in order to style the UI. So if I write something, a heading, hello world, and try to open this request, if I start this application, so you will see our app will be listening on port 4000. So hello world will be shown right here. So now we just need to make this index.html, and here we just need to make a form. So these are all bootstrap classes. We will be giving a ID to the form, screenshot form, and method will be post, and we will also be providing an action which will /get screenshot. So inside this form we will have a form group class of bootstrap. We will have a label where the user can write the website URL. So we will say enter website URL, and then we will have a input type text field. Name we will give it as URL, and it should be required. Placeholder will be saying enter website URL. So the class will be of form control. So these are all bootstrap classes. So the next thing we will have basically is a radio button. So we will have two options in that. Either they can choose the format of image or PDF. So this label will be choose screenshot type. So this will be a radio button. So we will have form check class, and inside this the type will be input type radio. The name parameter will be screenshot type. So we need to give these name attributes, guys, because we will be using it inside our Node.js code. So default option will be checked in order to do this, and we need to give it a class here, a bootstrap, which is this class, which is form check input. So if you just see, guys, the interface is building. If we refresh it, you will see basically there is an input field out there. There is this label. We have this radio field right here. One option is there, and you can put a value here of image. So this value will be shown here. If you refresh it, you just need to provide a label here. Just provide a label. After this, provide a label class form check label. So this is for the image. So if you just write like this, so it will appear side by side image, you will see that. So we just need to repeat this after this we just need to repeat this one more time for the PDF. So this time the value will become PDF, and this will become PDF, and the name will be the same, screenshot type. So there will be two options, either PDF. At one time you can select only one option. So image is the default option. You can navigate to PDF image. Then we just need to have a simple button where the user can click, and once they click the button, this will come after this, a button. So a button will be there. This will be of type submit. So when you click the button, basically the label of the button will be capture screenshot, and we will have a class of btn primary. So a button will be there. So this is the user interface complete. So now we just need to write this post request, which is get screenshot, inside our Express code. So before that we just need to include body parser middleware. For that, Express URL encoded extended to false. So whenever we are working with forms, we need to write these two lines, Express JSON. So we have included the body parser middleware, and now we just need to write that post request. So whenever someone submits the form, it will hit this endpoint, get screenshot, And now this will be a async function, request response. We will get the URL that the user has submitted, which will be coming request.body.url. So whatever is the name parameter that you have given, this is actually the name parameter that we defined right here. So we are capturing this information what the user has submitted and storing it inside the URL variable. And then we will have the output path where the output will be created. So just declare this variable. And after this we will also be having what type of screenshot the user has selected. So request.body.screenshot type, we will get this because we have given the name parameter if you check for both the radio fields. So after we just need to add HTTPS to the URL. So every time you submit the URL, guys, we need to write it in the HTTP. So if you haven't written the HTTPS, we need to add the HTTPS to the URL. So for doing this, we need to check that if the URL starts with that or not. So for that we will use some regular expressions, and this function starts with will automatically check that if the HTTP is present or not. So this will check this condition. If it is not present, then we will add the HTTPS, append this at the starting and then the URL. Very simple logic. If the HTTP is not present, then we simply add this. If it is present, then we simply validate the URL. So this is the simple function is there. So after doing this, we just need to open the browser using Puppeteer. So for that we can use await here. So Puppeteer.launch, and here you can provide a headless option either to true or false. If you don't want to see the browser opening, then let it to true. The default value is true, and then we will open the page. Await browser, new page. It will open a new. Now guys, after opening the page using this function, we will now try to write all the code in the try catch block. If any sort of error take place, then we can console log it. And here we will go to that URL using goto function and pass this option in the second parameter wait until to. This will be network idle 0. And then we will simply compare that if the screenshot type is equal to PDF, then we will capture the PDF screenshot. So output path in this case will be equal to, so wherever you need to store your file, we need to store it in the same directory, date.now. We'll convert this into string, and here you will say output.pdf. So this will be the path here, and after that we will actually take the screenshot. So how to take the screenshot? Puppeteer contains a method. So page.pdf, this is a method, and here it takes the path. This will be output path, and we will also give it a margin to the screenshot. So top will be 100 pixel, bottom will be around 100 pixel, right will be around 50 pixel, and left will be around 50 pixel. These are the margins we have given in various directions, and one other option is print background to true, and also the format of the PDF document is various sizes are there. We will select A4 size. So this is the thing. After that we will basically write the code for the else block. If the user has selected image, then we will actually take the screenshot. So first of all, we need to define the output path variable based upon the condition. So this time it will be output.png, and we will take the screenshot. So Puppeteer contains a method to take the image screenshot is page.screenshot. This is a method, and here it takes the path of the file. So output path, that's all. And lastly guys, we just need to close the browser, await browser.close, and then we need to simply download the screenshot as an attachment. So in Express we contain a method called as response.download, and here you need to simply pass the path of the file. Path is simply stored inside the output path. You can directly pass the path here, output path, that's all. So this completes the application. Once it takes the screenshot in either of these cases, either PDF or image, lastly the browser close and it will download the screenshot as an attachment. So if I load this application in my browser, let's suppose if I refresh now, try to open a website, let's suppose crickbuzz.com, click on image, and now the process will happen in the background. The image will take the screenshot and it will download as an attachment after it finishes the processing, and you will see the image has downloaded. And this is the actual screenshot of the website, and you can even say PDF, so it will take the screenshot as PDF based upon the condition given, and you will see that. So it contains 5 pages because of the length of the website. So you can take any website of your choice, totally depends upon you. Google.com capture screenshot. So in this way guys, basically you can take the screenshot. So thank you very much for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit that like button, subscribe the channel, and all the source code is given in the description of the video. You can check out the full source code, and I will be seeing you in the next video.